Nakajingmi ke Huri-Hura hakatan Lapangap ka belajar dang hakine ki kendiat sngi ki beladam hapadang ki khasi bat ki karbi nakaliang o menteri rangba ka jelau konrad ke sangma ula kentu ya ki Shongshngaiñ hal Lapangap makin Kyrwoh na ki ki Kham da ka babu hakamat ya ka jing Shongshngaiñ ban ya ki Kamrab kene ke jing ai jingmot kalami hadian ke jingwan ke Joint Action Committee ke bana ka tegathan hakaban nakaliang o menteri rangba ula kedo makin Shongshngaiñ na Lapangap kilapan jingbet ban ot kba nrei ula pen pa bawat la karab karyang kalong ka Kongsan ke Shongshngaiñ kadai ka Kham Kongsan.
So the delegation that met me yesterday from Lapangap, they had requested that the harvesting be allowed, and we had discussed in detail with them, saying that the issue is very simple, that there is a lot of tension in that area, and though the harvesting is of course very important for the farmers and the public there, but safety and security is our utmost concern. And even though we may be able to provide sufficient manpower, but these kind of incidents are something that cannot be 100%, are not completely under our control, and hence we would not want any kind of unfortunate incident to happen out there, which would only escalate the overall tension in that area. And hence, to avoid any kind of unfortunate situation, we have urged the villagers that we must restrain at this point in time. We must be patient. Situation was not expected to go in this direction. There was a lot of positive dialogue going on between the different stakeholders, and we had expected that we'll be able to peacefully move forward. But unfortunately, this unfortunate incident took place. And this, as I said, was something that even the Assam police and Meghalaya police both were equally surprised, where the discussions were taking place and some sort of tension was there. This incident took place completely away from where the people had gathered. So we are still trying to understand under what circumstances this happened. But while that is happening, this may not be a good time to instigate things any further. We would appeal that we should restrain and allow peace to come in. We are engaging with different stakeholders to see if we can find a way to resolve this issue and work on it. But till then, it will be advisable that we should not go ahead with any activity that could lead to any kind of further tension in that particular area. And after sharing that with them, the people were still keen, and they urged us to speak to our counterparts and other leaders across the border and in our neighboring state, and see if we can find a way, which, as I said, we are pursuing. We are trying our best, and different officials, political leadership and administration is working at different levels to try and achieve that. Exactly, it's a very difficult situation. We cannot guarantee that right now. As I said, we are trying to talk, but only if we get a positive response from across that let's try to get over this phase and at least allow the people to harvest. Only when we have a mutual agreement will we be able to move forward. Till then, as I said, though the harvesting is absolutely very crucial for our people, but as I said, the lives and the safety and security is of paramount importance to us.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba Kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.